In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur video in Capcut. If you want to blur video background, you want to make blur background video in Capcut, this video will walk you through. This video will leave your face or the part of the video you want to show in Capcut video. So by following the step in this video, you learn the step-by-step procedure on how to blur video in Capcut. So the first thing you want to do is you want to launch your Capcut and then click on new project. Once you click on new project, you want to select the video whose background that you want to blur and then add it. Once you did that, so you want to duplicate this video. So to do this, just click on the video and then scroll the navigation and then hit copy. Once you click on the copy icon, this will duplicate the video you want to blur in the CapCut. Now tap on the first video. Now come to the navigation again and tap on effect. Once you click on effect, you want to click on video effect. Once you click on video effect, then just scroll to lens. It is under lens that you see the blur effect. Then click on lens. Then scroll down until you get to blur. With this option, you'll be able to blur video in CapCut. Just click on blur. Just like it. Then click on the check button. So you want to adjust this blur to only match the main video before you do a copy, just like this. You say the entire video is blurred, right? Now come to this video that you duplicated, this part of the video, this one, click on it, and then on the navigation, like this, you want to click on overlay. Click on overlay to drag the video downward, then just drag it downward once more and then move it to the beginning of the main video like this. Once you do that, now you want to click on the overlay video, this. Once you click on that, just scroll down until you get to cutout. Once you get to cutout, click it. Once the cutout comes up, then tap remove background. Then wait, you see the background will be removing. This might take a couple of seconds depending on the length of the video, and then once the background is completely removed, the video background will be removed and it only show the video. Now once the background is completely blurred, then you need to click on this icon, that is check icon, to remove the background, and there you go. So just let's say this video. You can say that these steps actually blur video background in Capcut. So now you can just go ahead and click on the export button. Once you export this video, you can play this video with a blur background on your device. So if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video just like this.